I came from a queue-based routing structure from my last industry and couldn't understand why insurance doesn't do it yet. There's tons and tons of organizations that are using this stuff. They've been using it for 10 plus years. Insurance seems to be behind the eight ball with it. So it's about prioritizing these leads and creating a system that does it automatically for you to take the thinking out. And I said that again about taking the thinking out, because it allows you now to spend more time with the client, to service the client. That's the most important thing. So agents are wasting time trying to figure out which leads are the best, which route to go on, and they're spending 3/4 of their day sometimes doing that and only spending maybe 2 to 3 hours with clients. That's the biggest problem in this insurance industry right now.
All right. That's a mic drop right there. Go ahead, Dr. Conde, go ahead.
I read a statistic that sales agents in general, not insurance, only spend 30% of the time selling. So you're right spot on, David, that you're wasting time just doing activities that don't result in spending time with the customer, educating, providing value, being consultative, all the things that insurance agents need to do.